In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot in Microsoft Edge Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture what's on your browser, add quick markups, and save or share it without any confusion. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure the tab you want to capture is active and the content you need is visible on screen. If you're preparing to screenshot a specific section of a page, it helps to scroll to the area you want before you start. Next, look to the top right corner of Edge for the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Click it to open the drop-down. Now, scroll down and select Screenshot. If you don't immediately see Screenshot, slowly scroll through the menu. It's usually grouped with other page tools. If it's missing, it may be due to an older version of Edge, so consider checking for updates later. When the Screenshot tool opens, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to capture. You can pick Capture Area, Capture Screen Area, or Capture Full Page. Capture Area and Capture Screen Area both let you drag a box around exactly what you want to include, which is perfect for grabbing a chart, a paragraph, or a specific image without extra clutter. Capture Full Page is ideal for long articles or documentation because it automatically scrolls the page and captures everything from top to bottom, even parts that aren't currently visible on your screen. After you make your selection, you'll see a preview with simple editing tools. You can draw to circle important details, underline key points, or create quick callouts. If you make a mark you don't want, use the Erase option to remove it cleanly. Take a moment to check the edges of your selection so nothing important gets cut off. When you're happy with the screenshot, choose how to keep it. Click Copy to place the image on your clipboard. This is great for pasting directly into chat apps, documents, presentations, or emails without creating extra files. Or click Save to store the screenshot on your PC. You'll be prompted to pick a folder and file name so it's easy to find later. This is the best choice if you need a permanent record or plan to upload the image elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, use the three dots menu to select Screenshot, choose your capture type, optionally draw or erase, then copy or save. Simple, fast, and built right into the browser.